Okay, we're going to start with the left hand. G, D, E flat, E flat, D, A, D, A, D, A. The first section is G, D, E, E flat, D. Let's repeat this one more time. G, D, E, E, D. You go for it. G, D, E, E flat, D. And second part, A, D, A, D, A. Let's do it again. Left hand, A, D, A, D, A. Let's put this together. G, D, E, E, D, A, D, A, D, A. So there's two sections, right? Then we're going to repeat the first section again. G, D, E, E flat, D. Let's do it again. We already played this before. D, G, D, E, E, D. And this time we're going to end with A, D, A, D. The second section is slightly different. A, D, A, D. Chico wants to join us. So let's do it all together now. G, D, E, E flat, D, A, D, A, D, A, and repeat. G, D, E, E, D, A, D, A, D. Let's try the right hand. It's a G minor chord. Then G and B flat. Then F sharp, A, C. Let's repeat. G minor chord, G and B flat, F sharp, A, D, A. I'm sorry, F sharp, A, C. And what do we have next? I want you to use fingers 1, 2, 5, and then F sharp, A, E flat, D. And can we repeat this one more time? G minor chord, then G and B, then F sharp, A, C, and then F sharp, A, E flat, D, G G minor chord, G minor chord, F sharp, A, C, and this time instead of doing this, we're going to play F sharp, A, D. The ending is slightly different. So let's do it again. The right hand is G minor chord, G, B flat, F, A, C, G minor chord, G minor chord, F, A, C, and now we're going to put it together. First ending and repeats. No, not together, I'm sorry. G, E flat, Let's repeat this one more time. And that's pretty much it. I'll post another part of the song, but I think that should keep you occupied for now. Have fun practicing.